Hey, what's up, our developers? Welcome to another video, and we will continue our journey of developing our app, and hopefully we will do something interesting today. Now, as you can see, I have aligned some goals for this video. Now, basically, we'll complete the rest of the screens which I was thinking about, decide our app name, come up with our app logo, design a splash screen. For now, let's get started for this. We were talking about previously an ability to track water. We've already done that. An animation reward for drinking water. Some animations for drinking water. I didn't need to do that. Instead, what I'll do is produce some kind of animation or some kind of alert box here. We're going to use Lottie animations, and if you want to use optimized Lottie ones, they're actually, costly. I want to prompt is basically kind of a reward to the user that you have added some kind of water in the tracker of your app. Reward, that's what I'm thinking about as of now in this animation. If you're in India, you can do some Google Pay or Paytm, and these are just random rewards that come on your screen, and these rewards are not rewarding enough for me. I just like there's some scratch cards and weird things that are not useful at all. The users are being already primed for that, and they don't like that kind of reward. I want something special that makes me feel good. The main goal of this app is to help you drink more water, not give you an ability to gain rewards or maybe scratch cards. This is not what I want. No, I think so. Every reward animation works like this. Some kind of, you get some gift package or something. That, to be honest, do not use this in your apps because it looks weird to me and it does not give me the sense of the reward that I want, because every app is using it. Or can we do multiple animations? Like every time you say 250 ml, it will give you a different animation. Depends. Now, one more thing, that interesting point of view that I've learned from other UI UX designers is that usually they like to keep the alert box a little transparent as compared to that of the background. If you see that if you open up too many layers of dialog boxes, what happens is the user actually gets lost. Screen is, and if there are too many screens, it's just a paradox of choices in front of you. Therefore, there's a screen that is the main screen. Behind this particular dialog box, it's just a dialog box, nothing else. You don't have to lose your way. That's all we're trying to do with the help of this opacity. After this, what is your name? This screen should appear, which will say, "Hi Desh, tell me more about your activity level." I want your activity level to tell me how much water is actually needed. Okay, and one more thing, I want to fill this iceberg behind it. Yes, I want this to tell the user, you have a water iceberg behind you. It gives me an introduction into the screen. And I will just copy this particular screen again, copy and paste again, and this will be water is your way. I'll copy this thing again and paste it here. This is the basic question of how active are you, depending upon if you do like 6-7 days of weightlifting and go to gym. That's what I do. I require a lot of water. The ChatGPT gave my app a name called Thirst Quencher. The water in Japanese means mizu, and my previous made game was Niva, which basically means garden in Japanese. I'm gonna just carry on the theme with Japanese names. Let's do and create some kind of splash screen here. I will create the logo from the iceberg itself, so that looks kind of cool. This looks great, a personal water coach. And we need some kind of design for our logo, right? Let's go to Canva and produce some kind of logo here. According to me, all of the screens are ready, and hopefully we will try to improve this design as we go. And let's start coding this thing, and let's see if we can do that.